Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can decorate your text on the CapCut app. So select the text that you've written, or if you haven't done that, just go to text and then type in anything you want basically. But I've already or typed in my text, so I'm just going to click on it, and then I can go to style to change the font of my text, as you can see. And then after that, I can also add more effects. Over here there is trending, basic, luminance, multicolor, yellow, red, blue, green, and pink. So I'm just going to go to luminance and find one that I like. Ooh, I quite like that one. That one's also cute. Okay, and then press the checkmark button. Then you can also add in an animation to your text. Quite like that one. And then yeah, that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!